Hey guys, here are with new phone that is Infinix 08. Here you can see Infinix 08. Box. The outer presentation of box is really nice to see. Here the touch is really good, and here the name of phone and here the Infinix branding logo. So guys, this video is going to interesting, so please watch video without skip. I will give all information regarding this phone. After unboxing here first, finally our device is here. Now keep it aside and see others accessories. You can see the transparent case and SIM ejector pin with some paper materials in black. Boxed. After that here white earphones. After that here USB-C type cable and last quick charging 33 watts fast adapter. Now let's focus on our device. The touching of phone is good, there is no problem at this side. This is for SIM and side volume buttons and below that power button. The battery comes in at 4500 mAh and supports 33W supercharge. Other notable features include a headphone jack, FM radio receiver and side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Now let's open the phone, check the phone, all details. Up front we have a 6.85-inch IPS LCD with a pill-shaped cutout for the dual 48MP and 8MP selfie cameras. The 90Hz refresh rate is accompanied by 180Hz touch sampling. Let's click some pics and see. Camera is really impressive. What's your opinion about camera? Comment below. As per camera, quad camera setup is here where 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel depth camera. As per performance here you can see MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. You can also expand your memory up to 256GB.
Infinix 08 smartphone price in India is likely to be 14,999 rupees. Infinix 08 is speculated to be launched in the country on September 25, 2020, so this is for today. I hope you understand all specifications. If don't, then check out the description box. So guys, this is my new channel, so support me to grow by like, subscribe and share. So see you soon in next video. Have a great day.